Welcome to our tutorial on understanding items in cross-reference. In this tutorial, we'll explore the versatile features of items within the platform, empowering you to maximize efficiency and accuracy in managing your inventory and projects. In an accounting context, an item typically refers to a specific product, service, or resource that is bought, sold, or used within a business. It could be tangible goods such as inventory items, or intangible items like services offered by the business. Each item is associated with a unique identifier, a description, and often a price or cost. Today, we're here to get familiar with the process of managing items in cross-reference, a crucial aspect of any accounting system. To make an item, simply navigate to the Items section in the menu, and in Item Details, click the Add New Item button. Populate the fields and add an image if required, then click Save. When editing an item, two additional tabs will appear which allow editing of the price matrix and a view of the item history. Each item in cross-reference can have multiple suppliers, each with different prices and vendor part numbers for the same item. This ensures seamless integration into purchase orders, where prices and part numbers are automatically populated based on item supplier-specific settings. In cross-reference, promotions are price tiers that allow for customized pricing on a per-customer basis. By default, items are sold to customers at retail price, but additional promotions can be added. Each customer is assigned a default promotion setting, ensuring that when a sale is created, the correct price based on the customer's promotion is automatically applied. This feature enables tailored pricing strategies, optimizing sales and customer satisfaction. Items can be grouped as material, labor, or overhead, aiding in project management by charting the types of items involved in a project. Items can be flagged for commission, meaning some items may earn a commission for the referral, while others may not. This feature facilitates flexible commission structures tailored to your business model. If more categories are required, navigate to Administration and then Maintenance in the menu, and select the Item Category button to edit settings for item categories. Changes to categories will be inherited by items created from that point on using that category. Moreover, each item has financial settings inherited from category defaults, simplifying setup while allowing for customization to meet specific needs. Every item maintains a detailed history, allowing users to track each sale in chronological order. This invaluable feature provides insights into sales trends, customer preferences, and inventory movement over time. In addition to individual items, cross-reference offers a powerful feature called assemblies. An assembly is essentially a predefined combination of items grouped under a single title or product name. When an assembly is selected, all associated items are automatically included in transactions such as quotes or invoices. This feature saves time and simplifies the process for commonly purchased combinations of items. For instance, consider a PC assembly comprising a motherboard, hard disk, CPU, memory, and video card. Instead of adding each component individually to a quote or invoice, users can simply select the PC assembly, fast-tracking the transaction process while ensuring accuracy and consistency. By mastering the functionalities of items in cross-reference, you'll streamline inventory management, enhance project tracking, and unlock valuable insights into your business operations. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, we're here to help you make the most of our platform. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us using the About screen in cross-reference.